Hi guys, I'm Dorothea from Karratha in WA. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe for when the kids get home from school and they're starving. Instead of giving them junk food, just grab them some ice cream out the freezer, but all low fat and a healthy snack, especially when it's hot up here in Karratha. It's starting to warm up now to around over 35 degrees from now, so we're warming up, and my kids always look in the fridge for a snack when they come home, so I want to make them a healthy alternative and yeah, see how we go. So today I'm going to make some ice cream, some blueberry and orange ice cream using the culinary range. Young Living have 35 culinary oils in their collection. Young Living essential oils, they meet the standards Australia requirements. That is why they can be labelled for use in food and drinks. And I don't use any other essential oils that aren't labelled for this particular reason as well. The ones that aren't labelled can harm your liver and gut flora. So don't just listen to what anybody says. Do a bit of research and check it out yourself. So here we go. So I'm going to get some frozen blueberries, and I'm going to pop them in. I've got a Thermomix, so I'm just simply putting them into the bowl. It's a really simple and quick, easy recipe as well. And then, so what I put in the bowl then, just to clarify what I'm doing, I had 2 cups of frozen blueberries, 1 full cup of coconut cream, organic, and then we had 4 teaspoons of, I'll pop that in as I'm talking. So we simply can just mix it all up in here together as well. And then I'm going to put, which I've got ready before, some the agave, which you can just get organic from your, in the health food section or health food shop as well. It's just less sweeter than actual using things like honey and sugar as well. So that's really quite good. So we popped in the coconut cream as well. And then now so I'm going to blitz that. It might be a little bit noisy while I do this, so bear with me, block your ears, and here we go. Noisy. So I pretty much just blitzed it all there, and now I'm going to add, on this recipe it says to use 4 drops, but I don't know, I'm going to taste it. I like the orange. It's beautiful in everything, but I like it quite strong, so I'm probably going to use about 4 to 6, but I'll just have a taste test first, so make sure it's not too overpowering. So here we go. I'm going to put like 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I'm going to blitz it again. There we go, all running down. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm just going to get a clean, just so I can taste test this. That is beautiful. I think four drops is really nice, but orange and blueberries, yum. So now I'm just going to slowly, just to put a bit of, so it thickens up, sorry, what I should say, but slowly add the coconut water, and then once it all binds together, it'll just work out beautiful, and it should freeze really nice. I'm just going to do it in little bits, by bits, so it doesn't get a little tiny bit more. This is such a quick and easy recipe. And if you don't have a Thermomix, you can just use any food processor or even just a blender. One that you do your smoothies with at home in the mornings before you go to school or work. It's really quite a simple little process. The only thing is you have to freeze it for 4 hours. So yeah. So it comes out with a really lovely colour. And it should thicken up once I freeze it. It smells so beautiful. So when you do this, always use frozen fruit, and then it will just go in thicker. So what I'm doing is I'm just pouring all this into a lined grease-proof dish with baking paper. I don't know if you can see the colour there, but it looks amazing. I'm going to turn this around in a sec, and I'm going to just show you, and then I'm going to show you all my culinary oils. I'm going to pop my reading glasses on, and I'm just going to turn this around, and then I'm going to tell you how many culinary oils we've actually got in Young Living. So can you see that there? That's the only dish I could find, but that'll do. It should freeze up really nice. Once it dries out, what I'll do is I'll post some pictures. So yeah, it should taste nice. It smells amazing, and with the orange it will be beautiful as well. So so Young Living, they have yeah, as I said, 35 culinary oils that are compliant with our labelling requirements for Food Standards Australia and New Zealand. So you can add it to your drinks or food. So we have basil, bergamot, black pepper, cardamom, carrot seed, celery seed, cinnamon bark, citrus fresh, coriander, dill, fennel, frankincense, German chamomile, ginger. We have grapefruit, jade lemon, Laurus nobilis, which is the bay leaf. So we have lavender, lemon, lemongrass, lemon myrtle. We have lime, marjoram, nutmeg, okatay, orange, oregano, peppermint, rose, which I love to get. I haven't got that yet. Rosemary, the slick essence, spearmint, tangerine, tarragon and thyme. So my favourites at the moment are, I love jade lemon. That's really nice in guacamole. It's beautiful. Even you could drink that one. It's really nice as well. What else? I love citrus fresh. That's lovely. The citrus fresh is lovely in the mornings. I sometimes take to work. I'm a bit slack with my breakfasts. I don't sort of usually eat till mid-morning. However, I do make a nice granola and I pop it in with some fresh fruit and plain natural Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt. You could substitute as well, and citrus fresh, orange, all of them are beautiful in that as well. So lemongrass, that's really nice just to diffuse in the house as well, but yeah, also great for cooking, really, really nice. Lime is really good. I've actually got that in my Ningxia drink right here, right now, the 30-day challenge with the sulfuron tablets. So I'm having that today to keep me charged up and going. And I'm just going to swing this around here and show you. I've just got one of these new essential oils, and I thought, well, why not put them in my kitchen? I was starting to get a few oils that I needed to get organised, and I really want to start using the culinary oils more. So if you don't have them on display, you never use them. So I've just put them all on display here, and now I can easily see where they are and access them whenever I need it as well. So they're all pretty much up there. I don't have every single one yet, but they all are amazing. The only tip that I can give with these oils is that you be very careful if you are new to Young Living essential oils. Use a toothpick to start because they are pure and they are strong. So I have learnt the hard way. So always start with the toothpick and then followed by the drops. With the toothpick you put it in and then you can put it into your food because it's a little goes a long way. So that's my little oil collection there, and my little tip is to get one of these on your next Essential Reward order. They're a handy little rack, but they look really nice and neat in the kitchen as well, I think. So yeah, there you go. Have a great day, and I'll send you some pics once the ice cream is ready, and I'll post the recipe a little bit later as well. All right, have a great day. See you later.